What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to replace the floor in the front of my truck. Alright, so the underlayment is done. Wasn't too bad. This side came out good. This side gave me a hard time. I made a mistake. Cut a little too much there. So, cut a small piece and fit that right there. Overall, not too bad. Alright, so just a few things I want to talk about. From my research, a lot of people, they start from here because the slope up ahead. So you can start planking from here and go backwards or go front. I think I'm gonna go backwards first, get that done with, and then go up to the front. Another thing I want to talk about is a lot of people, they just start planking like this and leave a gap like that. So what I did was I laid the plank like this and put a marker right there and back here. So when I use my jigsaw to cut the plank, I cut it backwards because I tried cutting it from the front. It messed up the plank, the top layer of the plank. So to make a nice clean cut, I would just flip it over and cut it with a jigsaw. So with this plank, I'm gonna put a marker right there on the side, on the very edge. And just go backwards. Ooh, can't find it now. Gotta use both of my hands. So here's the marker. You just bring that over and do the same thing. Oops, can't focus. All right, so where did it go? Oh yeah, it's right here. So you just bring that over and just make a straight line and you're good to go. Don't forget the holes to the seat. I actually kind of forgot about this side because I don't have a passenger seat. Alright, so I just got done with the floor. It came out pretty nice. A few things I want to talk about is, don't forget your holes. This plank here, I could have cut it from here all the way down straight, but I left it out. That way I can throw some LEDs under it. But that's going to be in the future, so if you guys want to do something like that, don't throw away your extra pieces of planks. Those small pieces, you would need them, such as right here. Instead of cutting a whole new plank, you can use your extra pieces you have laying around. Small piece here and a piece here. I have to use a whole new plank for here, and a piece here. So instead of using new planks, you can use small pieces that you have laying around. For the brake pedal, I didn't remove the whole pedal. It had some gap underneath. You can it's pretty tight now, but when you're bare to the floor, it lifts up a little bit. I didn't want to remove these screws and remove the brake pedal because there's a nut behind it, and you wouldn't be able to put it on unless you go underneath the truck, which was tough. I tried. I couldn't even see the brake pedal bolts, so I just left it like that and slid the plank underneath. Alright, so the hole for the shifter, make sure it's big enough. I'm not sure if that's big enough, but I'm gonna try it out and see. If not, then it's easy to cut even after you install everything. You would have to make some guess cuts, I would say, such as there. It was real tough for me to cut this part out, but I'm gonna cover this area with a PVC sheet or something, but for now I'm done with it. And same thing on this side, but other than that, it came out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. Thank you for watching, guys.